Namaste everyone, how are you doing? This is Shifali and I really hope all of you are taking good care of yourselves. The product today in my hand is from Plum. This is a Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. So having read its innumerable reviews and good reviews particularly, I really wanted to try this on myself and bring my thoughts forward to you. So I only have been using this for about 10 days now. So I did not take much time this time because this product really gave me the required results in limited period of time. But before I begin my review, I really request all those of you who are new to my channel, please spare a second, do subscribe to it. So let's begin the review. One moment, did you just subscribe it? Still not? Come on, it just takes a second to do it. Just hit the subscribe button. Did it finally? Alright. So I'm really going to discuss three main points to avoid making it unnecessarily lengthy. First being what goes into making this gel, how wonderfully it has worked on my skin being the second point, how I use it. Third is its price details, whether or not it is really worth it. The product comes nicely packed. The gel is in this jar. This is made up of glass, so be really careful while handling it. So I'm opening the lid. The best part is its smell, its aroma. It's fantastic, just like a perfume. A high quality perfume, let me tell you. This is basically for all skin types, combination oily, acne prone and dry skin as well. It does not have any color really. It's kind of light greenish color, extremely light, just like lilac. Consistency wise, it's obviously in the gel form, as I have already told you. Neither so thick nor that runny. Works beautifully on my skin. So this absorbs almost instantly.
It promises to fight acne, gives you oil-free mornings and nourishes your skin. Well, everything holds true in my case also. However, it did not do anything on my zits. I do have a couple of pimples. It did not reduce them at all.
This has green tea extracts. I'm sure a large chunk of you would already know how magical green tea really is for our body and skin, since it has a lot of antioxidants. This has glycolic acid also, which helps to remove dead skin cells. Apart from this, it has argan oil, which helps to regulate the sebum production. For all those of you who do not know what sebum production is, it's basically fat molecules which protects our skin even if we are not using any moisturizer or anything on our face. It creates a protective layer. So it is really important that it is regulated properly, because otherwise we are going to have a very dry, flaky skin. On the other hand, the excess of this oily, waxy substance can create acne, breakouts, blackheads, etc. on our face. So honestly, I have only been using this gel for 10 days now, as I already told you in the beginning of this review. But I'm already so impressed that I couldn't wait. I just didn't feel like waiting any longer to break this out to you, that how amazing this is. I use it in the night. I wash my face properly with a good face wash. In my case, I have been using Pear's face wash since my school days. It is really moisturizing, gentle on your face. After that, I apply this directly and sleep on it. I have a combination skin, and since I have started using it, I really have felt that my skin has become softer.
And my fat cheeks now have a glow, and baby like plump also. Smells heavenly. I have found this better than any cream or serum that I have promoted so far.
That said, none of my videos are sponsored. The best part is that this is absolutely chemical free. It does not have any parabens, silicones and sulfates. This does not feel heavy on your skin as soon as you have applied it. Creates a protective layer until you have woken up in the morning. This product claims to work on your acne also. I'm not pretty sure on this because it did not really work on my acne issues. It's still there, as you can see. The spots are there and the acne is still there. There are many women out there who have reviewed and mentioned that their acne has been remarkably reduced. So this could be true in some of the cases. What's more beautiful is that you wake up with a fresh face in the morning, as the moisture does not replenish when you wake up, unlike any serums, gels or cream which probably works throughout the night on your skin but disappear in the morning. Talking about its price, its retail is 575 rupees. However, I got it at 488 rupees from Amazon. I think I'm going to try its plum chamomile and white tea plush night souffle next. It's yet another affordable range from Plum. I'm so impressed. I'm definitely going to try that and I'll review whenever I have. This is all from me today. I really hope that you liked watching this review as much as I loved putting my thoughts before you. Stay tuned because there's going to be a lot more reviews and fun in terms of below on this channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Keep smiling, stay beautiful. Bye bye.